If you want to close the pop-up by just clicking on it or redirect to another page, the actions while clicking on the pop-up feature will help you in this regard. By activating this feature, you will be able to choose the Enable Closing feature or the Enable Redirection feature. By choosing the Enable Closing feature, the pop-up will be closed as soon as you will click on it. But in case you want to redirect to another URL, you will need to activate the Enable Redirection option. Make sure to add the needed URL in this field, that is, after clicking on the pop-up, you will be redirected to the given page. Also, you can activate the Opening New Tab feature, that is, after clicking on the pop-up, the users will be redirected to another tab.